So today is the day 6 of the Make 10K in 10 Days challenge, and this is going to be an exciting update today. Okay, first let me update you on eBay, because right now it's the weekend, and every time weekend will have a better sale. So today I made about $430. So these are all my sales that came in, and here also have some eBay sales. So these are all my PayPal account, the PayPal that I received money. So now to the update of my video editing services. So besides video editing, I did add on some other gigs to my service, like logo animation and other design services. So I managed to secure 3 more sales on this, which are this one as shown here. Yeah, so this one a total about 950 Singapore dollars. So these are some of my previous friends, so they own business and they did approach me before last time that they need some editing service as well as some website services, which I ever turned down before. So right now I have approached them to let them know that I have this service, and yeah, so they kind of like bought the package from me. They did not go for the higher package, which is the 12 months one, because their business does not require them to have a video every month. So they just took a package. I gave them a quotation. So for example, this customer here, she signed up for 5 video editing as well as logo and website design. So I charged them about 500 plus. And yeah, so because PayPal have fees, so that's why you always see all these irregular numbers. And sometimes when they transfer money to you, certain times PayPal do not have any deduction, so I don't know why. So anyway, okay, so let me do an update since I didn't update yesterday. The total of from day 1 to day 6 is I have make $6,503. Yes, so now I'm left with another 4 more days to the end of this 10-day challenge, and I have another about $3,500 left. So I will put out more gigs on marketplaces like Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, as well as I will try to source for new customer from Facebook groups, all the community that I was in, especially because I do a lot of YouTube videos. So there are also a lot of inquiries on helping them to make intros and outro videos, thumbnails, and all these channel arts. So these are the services that I will be putting in more services like these to provide them to all these communities. So my strategy is very simple, because I have a lot of existing Facebook groups and I do a lot of interaction with the members there. So a lot of them, they need this kind of service. So what I just need to do, I just need to let them know I have this service, and I will ask them to PM me directly. So this is how I get, and these are international customers. I get all these customers from everywhere. So okay, wish me luck for the remaining 3,500. I will update you tomorrow, which is the day 7. Bye.